there's another little story or anecdote that I love to share. A 4-wheel drive customer went from Cairns to Cape York and drove all the way. And on the way up, they could hear this knocking sound, and they, lifted the bonnet and had a look around, couldn't see any particular issue, kept going on their journey, 3,000 kilometres up and back. And they got back to Cairns, went into the automotive shop and said, look, I'm hearing this funny knocking sound, but just don't know what it is. So it turns out it was our BCDC, our auxiliary battery charger that was hanging by the wiring harness, hitting rocks and the ground as they were driving, because they used a homemade bracket. The bracket had fractured, and there's the thing just dangling in the breeze. Well, the customer, they took it out, replaced it. The shop sent it to us to check. It was like a mangled wreck, and it still worked.
Yeah,
it was still operating. Yeah, which is pretty amazing. It's in a glass case in ARB cans. You can still go and see it today.
Oh, really? Oh, that's a hell of a testament to the product.
Yeah.